Welcome to my channel, Lillian's Gardens. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use aloe vera and miracle leaf of life to cure alopecia and prevent hair graying. I would like you to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and a comment. I've already soaked this in water to get rid of all the toxins, and I'm going to peel the aloe vera. So I just cut it at the top, at the bottom, at the sides, and then open it up and scoop the gel out with a spoon, gently scraping the inside of the leaf. I will do this for all the leaves. This gel is what I need to collect from all these leaves. And now I have the aloe vera gel. I'm going to mix it with the juice of the miracle leaf. So I'll blend the miracle leaf and then I'll mix it together. And I'm going to sieve the miracle leaf. I'll just juice it. The miracle leaf of life has physical and spiritual healing properties. Using leaf of life regularly helps prevent premature graying, promotes healthy scalp, prevents hair loss, and cures alopecia. When I now add aloe vera, it becomes a very serious hair serum. Please do this and you'll come back to testify. You'd also tell other people. We have this and this, just about the same size. I'm going to make this aloe vera smooth by sieving it through the net. And then I'll pour it in. So this is a mix of miracle leaf juice and aloe vera. I'll use this for my hair and store it in the fridge. Nothing is going to keep it stable, so I'll use it up within a week. Now I'm going to apply the juice and aloe vera to my hair. I will do it standing up. I need to take off my hairband that I use for my hair. Usually do this in the bathroom. That's why I'm using a bowl. It's going to be a lot of runoff. I will now apply castor oil in the front and the back. And the argan oil, the front and back, and the middle as well. I put on my shower cap. And I need to put a scarf on it. I'm going to have this towel on my neck. It's for the next 30 minutes. And then bring it forward. And then I go about my day. And if it's evening, I can sleep. So just make sure it's all contained under the shower cap. That's the aim. I control hair breakage, and my hair is encouraged to grow very fast using miracle leaf of life, bryophyllum, and aloe vera. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Come back and watch some of my other videos. This is Lillian's Garden. Bye.